Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new product for you. This is from Ironsnow. I've done several reviews of their radios. They're mostly their emergency radios, and now I have an emergency light that they sent me that they just put on Amazon, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Here we go. This is a 2-in-1 rechargeable flood work light, and it will display in 4 temperature colors. The power pack for this thing is 5,200 milliamp hours. That's a lot. So we're going to check this out. Let's get it out of the box right here. Well, come on, Tom. Get with it. There we go. Nice packaging. I like the packaging. Not just a plain old box. And do I have it right set up? Yep, I got it right set up. There's a little plastic doodad that it comes in, protects it. There's the light. And it comes with the charging cable, and you can use the power pack in this thing to charge other devices. So this works both ways. And it comes with a little screw-on thing that screws on the bottom here. This is a standard socket, not socket, but yeah, I call it a socket, for a tripod. And they give you this so you can put this in there and hang it up. It's a little hanger. That comes with it. And it comes with a carabiner. Well, I can't get it out though. Okay, we'll look at that later. Big screen. It fits right in the palm of your hand. It's, where did I see it? There's the manual. It is really hard to read. It's small. It is, I think it was 10 watts. That's the power of the light here. And there's actually 3 or 4 settings on the power and different colors, because it has different colored LEDs which you can turn on and off. It has this is a big magnet, so you've got something metal, you can attach it to it, and it has a kickstand here. Actually, I can go back a little further, or I can go back even further. Nice little kickstand, well made. This is really nice. It doesn't look like cheap plastic, although it is plastic. And then here are the control buttons right here. Now the the center button is the power button. If you just short press it, see those blue lights? That will tell you the charge. 4 lights mean fully charged and so on down. If you long press it, it will turn the light on or off. So let's long press it. And I'll hold it. There. Talk about bright. This thing is, I don't want to shine it in my camera. Look at it. It's just almost like burning a hole in this. Of course, it's LED, so it's not hot. And that's one of the settings. And then there's 2 other buttons. One for changing the color, selecting different LEDs. Again, I don't want to shine it right into the camera. Look at that, man. Okay, we'll push it once. Now it's kind of an amber color, soft white they call it. There's even bright, look at that. Man, it's washing out the screen, it's so bright. There's a flashing red for emergencies. And we're back to not super duper duper bright, but super bright. See if I can hold it and not flash it in the camera. Can't get my thumb over there. There's the amber light. There's the super, super, super bright. There's the flash. And then there's the normal super, super bright. Let me turn it off. So you push and hold here. Oh, the third button over here is for, I forgot. Oh, brightness. Can you believe there's can be brighter? Actually, it's probably on max. That's where I left it. So let's push it once, went down, push it again, and went down. So there, not too bad. And by using on the lower setting, of course, you conserve the battery. I'm going to do a test later, not online, because it'll take a while, of how long the light will stay on the various power settings. So let's go back to super bright. Push it again. Super bright. Whoa, check that. I mean, it washes my hand out. Okay, let's turn it off. Whoop, push and hold, and it's off. Up here is where the connector is, goes in or out, depending on whether you're charging it or charging another device, such as your cell phone. A mount that now I have right here, doesn't come with this. This is one of my camera mounts. This is a cool device too. And it has the standard tripod mount, and it screws right in there. Well, I try to screw it and hold it at the same time. There we go. There we go. And so I can use a little tripod to hold it. And I could, this thing, let me see if I can get this off. It's a fine thread. There we go. This little gizmo will grab onto things. This is pretty neat. Again, this is separate. So that's about it. You can get these on Amazon right now. I forgot the price. Let me do a real quick check. I tell you, my memory is just totally gone. I do not remember anything. I just looked it up a few hours ago, and I forgot already. Okay, it is $24.99, and I really, this thing is super bright. It's 5,500. Excuse me, 1,000 lumens on the 550K setting. That's the color. The power bank, as I said before, is 5,200 milliamp hours. It's water resistant. Really nice. Excuse me. I'm getting so excited I moved my voice. So check this out. This is on Amazon under Ironsnow. Again, I've done some of their radios. They have a new radio, brand new radio come to me. I even helped them a little bit with the development of it. And I have a prototype, which let me get back over to my camera. I will just flash you with the prototype. They have the actual production one coming. There it is. That's the prototype. And you will be seeing that possibly this week, later this week maybe. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.